Hey there, I'm Chef Ani, and today we are making beautiful golden brown baked hash browns. Look at these tremendous hash browns. They are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, golden brown deliciousness. My mom absolutely loves potatoes, so anytime we can come up with a fun potato recipe, she's really happy, and she likes these. Don't you like these?
Love them.
Yes, she really loves these. So highly recommend them. So let's get right into this video. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So we're going to get started with our potatoes. We like to use a couple different types for our hash browns. The Yukon potato has a lovely flavor, and the russet potato has a high starch content, which adds that nice crispy texture to our hash browns. So we like to mix them. We're going to peel and grate our potatoes. A food processor makes quick work of this. Once we have grated the potatoes, we're going to rinse out some of the starch. Next, we're going to press out some of the extra water. One of the simplest ways is to simply take handfuls and squeeze out some of that liquid. Next, we're going to add a little bit of oil and season our potatoes with some onion and garlic powder, dried dill, and some salt. Mix that all together and grab a lined baking sheet tray. I like to use a ring mold to help shape these hash browns. Simply add your hash brown mixture and press it into the mold. And all we have left to do is to pop these in the oven to bake. And there you have it, beautiful golden brown hash browns. Don't they look amazing? I think this recipe is tremendous, a keeper if you ask me. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as my family and I do. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I look forward to seeing you next time with another video.